In the paragraph below, write solid, liquid or gas in each of the brackets depending on the substance referred to just before. On a bright sunny day, Riya and Gargi are playing with the ball in bracket solid in the park. Gargi feels thirsty, so Riya brings tender coconut water in bracket liquid for her. At the same time, a strong breeze in bracket gas starts blowing and it also begins to rain in bracket liquid. They run back into the house in bracket solid, change their clothes in bracket solid, and then their mother gives them a cup in bracket solid of hot milk in bracket liquid to drink. Discuss. Riya pours some water from her bottle into another bottle. Does it change the shape of the water? Yes, the shape of water changes as water is in liquid state. Liquids do not have a shape of its own. They take the shape of the container. Alima picks up a small stone from the ground and puts it in the water in a dish. Does the shape of the stone change? No, the shape of the stone does not change. Stone is a solid and retains its shape. Write the properties of these substances: water, glass, chalk, iron ball, sugar, salt, flour, coal, soil, pen, ink, soap. Properties of substances are: substance, state, properties. Substance water, state liquid, properties fluidity, density, solubility, transparency, thermal conductivity. Substance glass, state solid, properties brittleness, hardness, density, transparency. Substance chalk, state solid, properties brittleness, density. Substance iron ball, state solid, properties hardness, density, malleability, ductility, electrical ductility, conductivity, thermal conductivity, luster, sonority. Substance sugar, state solid, properties brittleness, density, solubility. Substance salt, state solid, properties brittleness, density, solubility. Substance flour, state solid, properties density, solubility. Substance coal, state solid, properties brittleness, density, thermal conductivity. Substance soil, state solid, properties brittleness, density. Substance pen, state solid, properties hardness, density. Substance ink, state liquid, properties fluidity, density, solubility. Substance soap, state solid, properties brittleness, hardness, density, solubility. What is sublimation? Write the names of everyday substances that sublimate. The change of a solid substance directly into a gas or vapor without first changing into a liquid is called sublimation. The names of everyday substances that sublimate are camphor, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride, iodine. What is it made from? Why? A sickle to cut sugar cane. A sickle is made of iron. An iron sickle is hard and malleable. When sharpened, it will be able to cut the hard sugar cane. The sheets used for roofing. The sheets used for roofing are made of plastic, aluminum. Plastic is hard and protects against weather conditions. Plastic is transparent and sunlight can pass through it. Aluminum is hard, lightweight and durable and protects against all weather conditions. Malleable and formed into thin sheets. A screwdriver. A screwdriver is made up of iron, steel, aluminum. A screwdriver possesses property of hardness, hence it easily pierces a screw in piece of wood, wall, metals, etc. A pair of tongs. A pair of tongs are made up of iron, steel, aluminum, etc. Tongs are used to lift hot boiling utensils or vessels. Tongs are hard, ductile and malleable and have strong grip to hold utensils. Rubbers fitted on the ends will protect from thermal conduction from burns. Electric cables. Electric cables are metal wires in bracket thin wound in plastic. Metal wires possess the property of hardness, ductility, electrical conductivity. Plastic rubber covering possesses the property of hardness, elasticity and are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Ornaments. Ornaments are made up of metals like gold and silver. They possess the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, luster. Pots and pans. Pots and pans are used to cook food, hence metals like aluminum, steel are used. They possess the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity in bracket microwave ovens. What will happen if and why? Nails are made of plastic. Nails should be made from metals that are characteristic of hardness. Plastic is a brittle substance. It cannot withstand hammering. Neither it can enter the material in which we may try to pierce them. Therefore, nails made of plastic cannot be used. A bell is made of wood. Sonority is the characteristic of metals. The sound produced by metal bell would be melodious. Similar sound cannot be produced by wooden bell as wood does not have characteristic of sonority. Rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongs. Pair of tongs are made of metals. They will get heated due to thermal conductivity during the use in the kitchen. If they are not fitted with rubber, they may cause burns. This can hurt us. A knife is made of wood. The wood is not metal and is thus not hard. The work of knife cannot be performed by the wooden knife. It cannot cut the objects due to lack of hardness. An axe is made of rubber. Rubber is a substance having elasticity. The rubber axe will rebound when hit upon an object. The metal axe can perform a function as the metals are hard substances. The rubber axe will not be able to do this function. Who am I? I am found in a thermometer. I measure your temperature. Mercury. I make things hot or cold. Heat. I have no shape whatsoever. Liquid and gas. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Salt. Why does this happen? Coconut oil thickens in winter. In winter, the temperature of air is less. At this temperature, the freezing point of coconut oil is reached. Therefore, it freezes and appears to be thickened. Kerosene left open in a dish disappears. The kerosene left in an open dish gets evaporated. The temperature of the surrounding hastens this process of evaporation and thus the kerosene completely evaporates and disappears. The fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of a room spreads to the other corner. The fragrance of incense sticks is given out in the form of scented vapors. As vapors are in gaseous state, the gas molecules spread out in the room. The molecules of gas move very fast and there are no forces to stop them from going apart. Therefore, the fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of room spreads to the other corner. What do you see in the picture? The mass of plastic ball is less than an apple. This difference is because of their densities. Since an apple has greater density, it will sink to the bottom. On other hand, the plastic ball has lesser density. It will float over water surface. Can you recall? Name the solid, liquid and gaseous states of water. Ice is solid state, water is liquid state and a vapor is gaseous state of water. Can you tell questions on textbook page number 33? Does water change into vapor the moment we place the vessel on a stove? Does water kept in fridge change at once into ice? No. It takes some time to change the state of water into vapor and water into ice. How do we tell how hot or cold a substance is? We can tell about a substance heat or coldness by measuring the substance's temperature with the thermometer. Can you tell question on textbook page number 36? How will you identify the following? A glass. Is it made of plastic, steel or glass? A rod. Iron or aluminum? A door. Wooden or glass? A white powder. Salt or chalk powder? A glass is made up of glass as it is transparent. Rod is made up of iron as it is seen to be opaque and dark. Door is wooden as it is seen to be opaque. The powder cannot be identified just like that but will have to be dissolved in the water. Chalk powder will not dissolve in water while salt can dissolve. This test can tell us the contents. Can you tell question on textbook page number 38? Identify the objects shown in the adjacent picture. From which substances are they made? What are these substances called as a group? These articles are made up of metals such as gold, silver and iron. The group of these substances is known as metals. Minerals are further processed to obtain metals. The metals are found in the form of minerals deep down in the earth's crust. Metals are used for several purposes. Copper, gold, iron, aluminum are metals. Can you tell questions on textbook page number 39? Why are the electric boards fitted on the wall made of plastic or wood? In the plastic and wooden material, there is no electrical conductivity. When we are touching electric boards, we should not get electric shock. Therefore, the electric boards fitted on the wall are made of plastic or wood. The handle of pressure cooker is made of plastic. Why? Pressure cooker is made from mixed metals such as indalium or aluminum. When it is on cooking fire, it becomes hot. If we lift it up in a hurry, we may get burnt. To avoid this, the handle of cooker is made from plastic. Plastic is not thermal conductive material. Therefore, we may not feel the heat of the cooker while lifting it up.